Hi, good evening. James Braithwaite here. I've just finished work. I've just got home. Oh, that weather outside is bloody dreadful. Anyway, I'll show you what I've been doing in my van. Work-wise, anyway. I have been cleaning it out. Not with just the spray and everything, because that's a bit half-assed. I mixed up some non-bio liquid with some water in a bucket, poured it onto the seats, and I then scrubbed it with a scrubbing brush and just let it dry naturally, because the other day it was so baking hot that it just boiled itself out essentially. But it looks much better now. And if you can just see over the edge there, you will be able to see the black bonnet that's fitted. I've already shown you a picture of that. And the seat under me, I mean, that's just where it's worn shiny, because this van's had a hell of a lot of use. I've polished this seat, well, cleaned and polished it up to get it looking real pretty anyway. So there's the leather that I installed. That's a bit of a dodgy fit, but but that isn't an original Vauxhall part, it's some crappy Chinese knockoff. But having said that, it works fine. Jeez. They'll wish me getting out of this bloody thing to go on the front door over there. Thankfully, it's only about 50 yards. Still, I'll leave my wits about me. See you soon. Bye.